Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to fix gray screen on Discord. So first things first, what you have to do is open up Task Manager. And to do that, we just right click on our taskbar right here and then click on Task Manager. After Task Manager opens up, we just click on Discord and then we end task. After doing that, we can close our Task Manager now and then go to the Start button and search Run. After that, we type on %appdata% and then we click OK. After clicking on OK, we just click on Discord or look for Discord here and then delete that. After deleting that folder, we just close this and then open up our Discord again. And you will see here that it will say starting, and then it will reinstall every file, every temporary files, and then you can now log in to your Discord normally. And that will fix your gray screen problems on Discord. That will be all for the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to click on that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.